I'm here today with Shoes of Hollywood. My name is Drew and I'm here to show you another review on a pleaser heel. So today we are going to be reviewing these ones here. So as all pleasers, they come in the beautiful package box with butterflies on them. Now these ones today are called the Flamingo-808 with rose petals on them. They are an 8-inch heel. I'll get them out and show you. So again, they have their little protective baggie on top. These ones are beautiful. So it is a metallic floral pattern. You have roses on them. It's kind of like a chocolate box pattern. Very cute. You have the plastic straps, the felt fabric on the inside, and again really good grip on the bottom. I'll grab the other one out. They also come with a little drawstring bag, which makes it really easy if you're traveling with them or if you want to store them without the box. I'll pop these on and show you what they look like and what they like to walk in. And as always, I have my little footies. It's a really easy plastic buckle to do up, and the more you wear them, the more the plastic will mold to the shape of your foot as well. Alrighty, so as you can see, they're really easy to walk in. The strap makes it really secure on my ankle, so I don't need to worry about falling over. And yeah, I'll take them off now. So again, super easy with the buckle. Okay, so there we have it, the Flamingo 808s with rose petals on them by Pleasers. And again, it's an 8-inch heel with metallic roses on them, which is really fun and floral. It's really nice for spring and summer. Plastic support buckle, and again, because it is such a high platform, it's not a very high arch when you're actually wearing them, so it really doesn't hurt your feet to wear. So because they're so supportive, I find them really easy to walk in. Loving the floral, haven't seen it done before, so I'm definitely taking these ones home with me today. Thank you, and I will see you next time for another review.